So this is my final website. My name is Olivia Scallon. The theme is outer space, astronauts, galaxy, because that's something I'm very into. I love astronomy, and I hope to be able to teach my students about it one day. So this is a home page, just says Miss Olivia's Astronauts, like as if it were my little class. And has a picture right here, evaluations section, that's where I put this. Technology projects. It is taking a second to load. Okay, so for my Google thematic slide, I did learning about outer space and just included some interesting pictures in there. Some pictures of Mars rovers and some statues. And then I have my digital scavenger hunt. I have my digital story, which is Audrey Hepburn, which was my favorite project, and I enjoyed it a lot because Audrey Hepburn is someone I love very much. She has a very interesting life, so I enjoyed that project. My PLN page, which is about professional learning environments and professional learning networks. This was one of the first things we did. This is that chart. I thought this was cool to make. I can definitely see myself using that in my classroom. This is the table with each one of my reflections. And then we have my mobile app, which was, I believe, Poll Everywhere, and just a pretty basic app that you can use to make polls, and it can definitely be used in the classroom. Website evaluation, I did nasa.gov, which is a government website, but it's very interesting and thorough, and especially if you're teaching about astronomy, it's great, and students can use it in the classroom. It's obviously a reliable source. My biography page, which is just a little bit about me, the galaxy background, that's me. Teacher choice page, I did YouTube video called I Sued the School System, which is very interesting watch. It's just it's set up like this guy's taking the school system to court and just talks about how we've kind of strayed from the purpose of education, which is to learn and to grow and to be educated, and kind of turned it into test scores and grades and just focused on that. So it's an interesting watch. And then my resource section, which is just some good websites that can be used in the class. A lot of the ones I picked are focused on science and astronomy, but I believe I have some other ones down here. Trivia, vocabulary, all very good resources. So that is it. That is my website. I had a good semester. I think this is my favorite class. I definitely enjoyed it a lot and learned a lot that I hope to use in my future classroom. So, thank you.